Yeah, they went handed today. And today they were blocked. These guests that were meant to come and raise funds for the terrorist organization, yeah, they shut them down. And history was made. Our friends were outside. Guys, let me tell you something. Many familiar faces. I've seen many of you guys outside Zara on 23rd of December, 2 days before Boxing Day and 2 days before Christmas Day. On 26th December, together you all shut down. I'll give you some hope. You all shut down Zara. And some of the security guys I saw just yesterday, they were saying well done to you all. They were saying, well done to you all. Palestine is also in our hearts. And I said to them, how much money do you think? I go, I think maybe £100,000. They go, no. Because of you, millions and millions of pounds went to a waste on that day. Other people supported other shops. But on that day, Zara chose to be in support of the apartheid state. And together, we hit their pockets on Christmas Day, on the day before Christmas, and on Boxing Day. So together, make some noise. Well done to you all. So I'll pass it over to our friend. Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Free!
Palestine!
Millions!
We are all Palestinians!
Millions!
We are all Palestinians!
Gaza, don't you cry!
We will never let you die!
Gaza, don't you cry!
We will never let you die!
Your prophet is covered in Palestinian blood!
Your prophet is covered in Palestinian blood!
Your prophets are covered in Palestinian blood!
Your prophets are covered in Palestinian blood!
Your prophets
Are covered in Palestinian blood!
Your prophets
Are covered in Palestinian blood! Your prophets
you can't hide!
we charge you with genocide!
Barclays, you can't hide!
We charge you with genocide!
Barclays, you can't hide!
We charge you with genocide!
Barclays, you can't hide!
We charge you with genocide!
Barclays has a long tradition of supporting apartheid. They supported apartheid South Africa. And now they're supporting apartheid Israel. But apartheid Israel is way more cruel even than apartheid South Africa. We are witnessing a genocide, a daily extermination of entire families, entire neighborhoods, entire block of flats. People hiding in school, people are hiding in hospital, taking shelter from the bombardment. Israel slaughtered every day Palestinian babies, Palestinian children. Every living Palestinian civilian is Israeli target. As Herzog, the president of Israel, said at the very beginning of this genocide that there are no innocent civilians in Gaza. That was a message to the Israeli genocidal army, the Israeli terrorist force, IDF. That was a message that even babies are legitimate targets, because if they are not innocent in Gaza, that includes babies. And indeed, Israel targeted even babies in incubators. There is no end to the Israeli cruelty. 2.3 million Palestinians are being starved for more than 3 months. They don't have food. They are every day going to sleep hungry. They can't sleep because every night they are being bombed. When they get injuries from the Israeli bombardment, they can't have antibiotics because Israel takes the antibiotics off any vehicle bringing any provision to Gaza. Children are being amputated with no anesthesia because Israel takes off even anesthesia help women who are having cesarean. Israel, the cruelty that is no end. There is a genocide, intentional genocide, and that's why we are here. And shame on Barclays for colluding with genocide Israel. Barclays is facilitating and complicit with the Israeli extermination of Palestinians. Of 2.3 million Palestinians are terrorized day in and day out. You cannot rest in Gaza because of Israeli terrorism. And you are serving that genocidal regime. But we will not give up. We will stand for the Palestinians until this genocide, until this extermination, until the Holocaust that is happening right now in Gaza is stopped. Stop the genocide.
Stop the genocide. Stop bombing Gaza.
Stop bombing Gaza!
Stop bombing churches.
Stop bombing churches!
Stop bombing hospitals.
Stop bombing hospitals!
Stop bombing doctors.
Stop bombing doctors!
Stop bombing Gaza.
Stop bombing Gaza!
Stop bombing children.
Stop bombing children!
Stop bombing mosques.
Stop bombing mosques!
Stop bombing mothers.
Stop bombing mothers!
Stop bombing teachers.
Stop bombing teachers!
Stop bombing hospitals.
Stop bombing hospitals!
Free, free.
Palestine!
Free, free.
Palestine!
Barclays, Barclays.